Did you know that nearly 1 out of 3 older adults who fracture a hip never walk the same way again? For many, just one small slip, a single step on uneven ground can change everything: independence, confidence, and the freedom to move without fear. But here's the shocking part. Most people don't lose balance because of age. They lose it because a few hidden muscles slowly grow weak over time. The very muscles that keep you steady every time you walk, stand, or even turn around. And here's the good news. Doctors now reveal that just 3 simple movements can restore your balance, strengthen your legs, and make you feel 10 to 15 years younger, all from home. So stick with me till the end, because exercise number 3 is the real game changer for seniors. It targets nearly every major muscle group at once. Let's get started. Exercise number 1. The heel lift. When most people think about staying strong after 60, they picture walking. And yes, walking is great for your heart and lungs. But here's what most don't realize. Walking barely challenges the muscles that actually keep you balanced. Those small, powerful muscles in your calves act like anchors for your entire body. Doctors even call them the body's second heart. Every time you lift your heels, those muscles push blood upward against gravity, sending energy through your legs and straight to your brain. That's why weak calves can lead to swelling, slower circulation, brain fog, and that uneasy feeling when your balance shifts. But the fix is surprisingly simple: the heel lift. Here's how to do it. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair and lightly place your fingertips on the backrest. Now press through the balls of your feet and slowly lift your heels as high as possible. Hold for 3 calm breaths, then lower down with control. That small pause at the top is where the magic happens. It activates your muscles deeper and strengthens your balance system. Do this for 10 to 15 slow repetitions. And when you're ready, try the single leg version for double the challenge and even better ankle stability. But while the heel lift builds your foundation, it doesn't fully train your stability system. That's where the next exercise comes in, and it might surprise you. Exercise number 2, the one leg stance. Studies show that people who can balance on one leg for more than 10 seconds have a much lower risk of falls, fractures, and even heart issues. Why? Because this simple move doesn't just test your balance, it trains it. Here's how to do it. Stand tall beside a chair or wall for safety. Lift one foot just a few inches off the ground, not too high. Focus your eyes on a single point in front of you and hold that position. Start with 10 seconds per leg, then build up to 30 seconds as you improve. You'll feel your ankles, knees, and core working together. That's your stabilizer system firing up. Each second you hold that balance, you're training your brain and muscles to react faster in real life, whether you're stepping off a curb or climbing stairs. Do this daily, and within weeks, you'll notice better coordination, posture, and confidence in every step. But what if you could combine strength, stability, and mobility all in one move? That's exactly what exercise number 3 does, and it's the real game changer. Exercise number 3, the sit to stand, the real game changer. This one might look simple, but it's one of the most powerful exercises for anyone over 50. It's called the sit to stand, and doctors often refer to it as the independence test, because your ability to stand up from a chair without using your hands predicts how strong and mobile you'll be as you age. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat and arms crossed over your chest. Now press through your heels and slowly stand up, no hands. Then lower yourself back down with control. That's 1 rep. Start with 10 repetitions, and as you get stronger, aim for 3 rounds. This single motion strengthens your legs, hips, glutes, and core, the exact muscles that keep you mobile and prevent falls. It even boosts circulation and heart rate, turning it into a mini full body workout. And the best part? You use this movement every single day, getting up from the couch, bed, or dining chair. So improving it directly translates to real-life strength and freedom. Do it daily, and you'll feel your energy rise, your legs firm up, and your movements become smoother and more confident. When combined, the complete lower body system. But when combined, these 3 simple movements transform into something far more powerful. They create a complete lower body strength system, one that activates every major muscle group and balance mechanism in your body. Think of it like this: your heel lifts are the engine, keeping your blood flowing and your lower legs strong. Your one leg. Stands are the stabilizers, teaching your body to stay upright and react fast. And your sit to stands are the powerhouse, building the strength and confidence that keep you independent. Together they improve circulation, coordination, and endurance all at once. That's why doctors call them functional longevity moves. They don't just build muscle, they retrain your body to move the way it's meant to. Do them daily and you'll notice the difference. Less stiffness in the morning, stronger steps throughout the day, and a renewed sense of balance you can trust. And before you go, tell me in the comments which exercise felt the most challenging for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for no-nonsense fitness videos, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new workout designed to keep you strong, mobile, and independent after 60. See you in the next video.